I got drunk tonight, but it's okay. It's for science. And I'm going to show you some breathalyzer science. So first of all, I guess the science you're going to see is what a fucking lightweight I am. Because this is my BIC right now. This is going to be a real embarrassment. This is taking a long time. I'm too drunk for this lack of entertainment. 0.05. 0.05. I would not get behind the wheel of a car right now. I can barely walk and talk. Okay. But what I wanted to show you was the impact of burping and regurgitating. And here's a super fun fact about me. I have acid reflux. Yep. Started after I got COVID, weirdly. And sometimes it's bad and sometimes it's not so bad. But I'm gonna do some shit to try and induce a little regurgitation for you. But I'm not gonna do that on camera. So I'm just gonna stop the video for a sec and just so that we can see how much my reading goes up. So, BRB. Okay, I did it. Makes my whole face water. My nose is plugged, my eyes are wet. But I want you to see how a burp or a little bit of regurgitation can seriously impact the results. That went up by 20 milligrams of alcohol. That's a huge difference. That went up massive. Just from me for a second and nothing even came up. There was no physical expulsion in the time I was off camera. I literally just dry heaved. Maybe I should do it on camera to show you what I did. Okay. That's all they did. That's all I did. That's it. See? You can see same physical reaction. I just triggered this that's already there. 20. That's insane. I'm so intoxicated. I can't explain the implications of this to you, which are huge. The implications are the difference between guilt and innocence. The implications are the difference between a reading that's going to get you a 3-day suspension, or what I just blew before doing that, 24 hours in British Columbia off the road, a tiny little administrative sanction, to a result that would get you 3 days off the road. Okay, as I was saying that, I burped. And so I just want to show you my burp. Just watch my burp with me. And it went up. I'm over 0.08. I'm over 0.08 because I just burped. I literally just, little burp, little acid refluxy burp. I have them all day. I'm disgusting. I know. I am now guilty of driving over 80, assuming I drove, which I didn't, obviously. I'm in my house. But if I did this test roadside with that little burp I just had, going from 50, which you just saw, I was at a slightly more than lawful blood alcohol concentration that would only have gotten me a minimal suspension. These devices programmed to say worn at 60, limits 50, to over 80, criminal offense territory from a burp. This is horrible. And did you notice I burped when I burped? Did you? Would you notice I have burped if you were standing at the roadside in the dark with cars going by and other officers at a roadblock? Would you have noticed that? Of course not. A burp. 30 milligrams of alcohol. Just a burp. And there's another one that I just let out while I was saying that because reflux. I'm so gross. I hope you learned something.